right. Welcome to the stream. Let me go ahead and move. Give me 1 second. Just trying to figure out where I want to put the mic. I guess that's fine. Or maybe I'll put it right here. There we go. All right. So, welcome to the Game Engine stream. Today is Sunday. I'm doing another offline stream so I can get a lot of work done. I guess quietly or so. Again, I'll do another stream, a proper stream on Monday, hopefully. But for now, I want to add a few kind of boring features. Little small random things, I guess. So yeah, pretty much where I'm at. Let me go ahead and go through my updates really quick. So I did a little bit of coding off stream or off video, I guess whatever you want to call it, from my last video. I'll go ahead and introduce the bits I coded off stream real quick. It's like 2 lines of code, so it's not too bad. New ideas for progress. Yeah, so the other thing is I'm reevaluating some of the things that I'm currently working on in the order in which I work on them, so I'll go ahead and introduce those things when we check out the progress board. Other than that, I think that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing, now that we're looking at the progress board, I'm going to move this over to trying to think where in the ordering I should put this one. I guess I'll put it right here. No, I'll put it lower. I'll put it maybe above this. I'll probably put the fine feature above though. Okay, well anyways, I'm moving this down because this was the next thing I was going to do, and I was going to do this today. Right. But the thing is, right, and actually let me do something real quick. I'll move my mic and my head webcam up. Okay, I think that's better. Maybe I'll put it right here. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. So then I can talk to the mic over on this side. Let me move this microphone over. Okay, it's better. So yeah, I'm not doing this right now. The reason being, I had a good think about it last night while I was thinking about how I was going to implement it. And then I realized that implementing that feature was going to require me to refactor other parts of my engine, which I was not ready to do yet. And I also realized the benefits that I actually get from doing that are not required right now. They were just kind of a extra thing I was going to add in. So I will still eventually add that feature in. It is important. However, I need to have a few other systems ready before I am ready to add that in, if that makes sense. So I'm skipping that for now. And basically at this point, I'm done with bugs. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. However, there is a few things that I want to replace these things with, and I want to get them done today. And they were sort of in the moment. I just want to add these features, whether they're like fun features or just things that are kind of bothering me. So let me go ahead and add in a few extra items really quick. First one is I want to update my readme and update the, what is it called, the stable branch. This should be pretty quick. Basically, my readme is a bit out of date if you actually read it. Some of this information is not accurate anymore, so I'm going to go through this and go ahead and fix it. Maybe add like an image showing the current project, and maybe show like, we'll just basically refactor the text here and make sure that it's accurate again. Update the dependencies too. And I might take some inspiration first from some other readmes and add some more modern, how do you say, markdown features into this readme. But I want to make sure that when people come in and see this readme, that it's more accurate. And the other thing is I want to make sure that when people come to the stable branch, it's actually stable. Because right now it's a bit garbage. So yeah, I gotta deal with that. So that's the first thing. Just something that just kind of been bothering me. The other thing, this is a two-parter. To display the function signature or description within of text editor suggestion window. Kind of a long, isn't it? Basically, whenever you pop up, when you like hover over a function inside of the scripting system, you'll have a little description of that function. I want to make sure that it plainly displays the function signature itself. I think that'll make it a lot easier to read. Another thing, and that's also a really easy feature to add. So these two should not take me too long, and they will provide a lot of benefit really fast. The other thing is on click versus, wait, what is that? I'm kind of reading off my whiteboard. On click and buffer empty display. Oh yeah, so fix bugs where suggestion does not pop up. I don't know if this is a bug or not, but I'll basically show you guys what I mean once I get to this point. Basically, it's just when I click, I want to be able to have the suggestion window pop up whenever I'm in the text editor. And right now, if I'm not actively typing, the suggestion window doesn't pop up anything, which is kind of annoying. So I don't know how long that's going to take. I might have to really rethink a few things, but hopefully it's not too bad. And last thing is I want to add timely notify as a dependency and go ahead and use it. So basically I want to notify whenever a warning pops up in my engine. It's just a fun thing I wanted to add real quick. I looked at the code for adding it in. It's not that bad. So I want to add the dependency, and then also I want to update the README alongside this. So this feature kind of inspired me to fix my README. And I also want to make sure that adding this dependency, I make sure I store the commit that I pull, right? This will help me to, this is a new way I want to organize my dependencies so that even if I strip out a bunch of stuff from the current code or add a bunch of edits to the code, I know which commit I need to reference to go ahead and compare. If I need to update the dependency, I can go ahead and compare it right there directly and see what I added. And then when I update the dependency, I can go ahead and add those features back or see if those issues have already been dealt with in the new version. So yeah, I'll get more into that once we get to this point. But yeah, these are the main four little features I want to add. They're nothing too crazy. They're all fairly simple to add. I mean, this one might lead me down a rabbit hole, but I thought through most of the issues and I don't think it should be that bad. So hopefully. So let's go ahead and start with this. Update the README and update the stable branch. The first thing is let's go ahead and update the README. But before that, let me show you what I edited in this current commit. So essentially the previous commit that you saw from the previous YouTube video, whenever I posted that, basically I haven't changed anything except for these two changes. And I haven't pushed these changes yet, so these will go along with this current commit. But basically all I did, right? I can even show you, it's so simple. This first one is I removed something. Here, I removed an extra function that was doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. So if I go down here, it's called process input. So if I go and find that in the diff, see, this is the old version. It was literally doing nothing. So I am removing it. The other thing I'm adding, basically I fixed a bug where when I add a suggestion, when I confirm a suggestion and that suggestion auto completes that particular suggestion or whatever, it wasn't adding an undo record, so the undo was all messed up. So I just quickly added the undo record and now everything works perfectly. So that's essentially an extension of the things that I did yesterday in the last stream. So if you want to see what that is, you can look in the last stream and see what I'm doing. It's the same thing, but they're just little bugs or whatever, little bug. This is a little bug that I wanted to go ahead and fix really quick. And that's about it. That's all the changes I added. So I can kind of show you now. If I go here and I do an autocomplete, yeah, I go here and I autocomplete something like along the lines of this. If I control Z, it gets rid of it. Before it was really buggy, so it's a quick fix. Yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Alright, let's go ahead and update this readme. So this should be pretty simple. I'm just gonna fix up this markdown file, and then I might add some extra features from other projects that I know about into the readme. So let's go ahead and take a look. The easiest way I have of editing this thing is I'm just gonna go into my solution folder. So you can see I have it right here, and I'm gonna open readme. Alright, so let's go ahead and edit this readme. So I can go ahead and see the readme here. Let me just go ahead and edit the text. This project, so about project is still fine. I don't know why this one's underlined. I suppose it's fine. Let me see how this displays in here. Oh, this is fine. Never mind. Okay, so I'm not gonna get too worried about that. It looked weird here, so I was like, wait, what's going on? No, it's fine. I guess just the renderer here and the renderer on GitHub is a bit different. Alright, this project is a simple game editor for 2D projects, 3D in the future. Still accurate. The project includes a game editor, an export project, a multiplayer server, and a core engine library. The editor, server, and runtime are all standalone executables that depend on the engine library. Feel free to create a game using the editor or use an existing project. Okay. Let me do one thing really quick before I forget. I'm gonna delete these. I'm not really using these right now. Okay. Okay. So this is still accurate. Feel free to try creating a game using the editor or use an existing project. Yeah, it's still accurate. Currently, only Pong is available. I'll just go ahead and remove that. Game projects are stored in a project directory. New projects need to be created by copying and pasting. I will add... Okay, yeah, so that's not accurate anymore. That's kind of annoying. New projects can be created in the editor launcher, and how do I say? New projects can be created in the editor launcher and can be downloaded from the editor launcher. The editor only supports only supports Windows. I don't have plans for supporting Linux or Mac for the editor. The runtime and server executables are intended to be multi-platform. However, it only supports Windows currently. Yeah, that's still accurate. The latest version of this project exists in development branch. Okay, so these ones, yeah. So how about the latest? The latest version of this project is always accessible in the development branch. The stable branch. I'll go ahead and put it in quotations dev. Probably should just call it dev and main. I might change it actually, just dev and main later. The stable branch. Currently holds the stable version. Currently holds the latest stable version of the engine. I intend to add versioning, add a version name system soon, the stable soon, where the stable branch will only hold major version changes. Okay, does that look fine? Let me see. The editor only supports Windows. I do not have plans for supporting Linux. Yep. The latest version is always accessible. So, as I think the latest. Yeah, there we go. The latest version of this project is always accessible in the development branch, The stable branch, main, currently holds the latest stable version of the engine. I intend to add a versioning system soon where the stable branch will only hold major version changes. Okay, yeah, that's good. So quick start. All executables, yeah. Visual Studio, the C++ and C# support. Okay, yeah, so this is no longer a requirement. The C++ support. For editing. my build is VS22. These configurations can be added on a fresh install of Visual Studio. Adding C# and C++ support to an existing installation. So again, I want to get rid of the C# mentioning. To an existing installation requires opening the Visual Studio installer standalone app. Okay. And then C++ code standard of at least I'll say the project uses a C++ code standard of at least C++ 20. At least C++ 20. Do with this, but I thought I would mention yours. So wait, let me do this. Please make sure, or not please. Say make sure your Visual Studio supports this version. This version supports this version. Is this version of the C++ standard. Git for Windows, and then Vulkan. Right. Alright. Now instructions, right? Cleanse repository. No need to use recursive. Here's the command. Okay, I think I want, for this one, I want to like use like a new code thing or something. I don't know. But let me find this really quick. Git clone. Git clone. Was that how you do that? Interesting. Clones repository. Okay. No need to use recursive. Here's the command. Okay, so this is what here's the command to run in a terminal slash in a terminal. In a terminal as long as Git is installed. Here's a command to run. Here's the command to run. As long as Git is installed. Well, let me see. Here is the command to download the latest stable RAM. latest stable branch version. Okay. I'd say does that work? Wait, what if I do? That doesn't work. Wait, hold on. Kind of confused. I'm trying to figure out how do I do like. How do I do? Yeah, wait, what if I do like a triple? Does that break it? No, it doesn't. Interesting. I would say clone the latest stable version of the stable branch. And then clone the latest version of the developments. And I'll say experimental features. Latest version. Latest stable version. I'll say lowercase. Latest stable version. Experimental features. There we go. Okay. I guess I accidentally stumbled on the way to do this whole like code snippet thing. It's kind of nice. Maybe I have to put a space and this will work. There we go. Clone -b developments branch. Alright, clone the latest stable version. Clone the latest version. Alright. Open Gargano.sln in central directory. Inside, set other runtime or as a default startup project, and then build a room. I might put some like gifs right here, maybe. I think some gifs here would be nice. But yeah, I mean, for now, this is fine though. All right, and then let me rework the documentation section. Okay. I'm not worried about the slap game anymore. Let's try sneak clone. Make our clone. Do the racing game. And then tabletop? No, what is it called? Twin stick. Twin stick shooter. Mage game. That'd be kind of fun. Alright, and then dependencies. And I have links to all the docs, which is nice. Oh yeah, I should probably update my dependencies. So let me take a look. I don't think I currently link in ASEP, so I'll go ahead and remove it for now. I'll bring this back when I actually go back, because I'm going to need it later. But for now, it's not accurate. Box2D, Dr. Wave, yep. It's sure, File Watcher, yep. GLFW, yep. Looks fine to me. GLM, yep. Hash library, yep. I'm GUI. I'm Guizmo. MSDF Gen, yep. MSDF Atlas Gen. OpenGL. OpenAL Soft, yep. Optic. SDB Image. And Vulkan, good, kinda. Alright. It's looking pretty good. So yeah, let me check my dependencies really quick. Make sure I'm not missing anything. So I'm gonna put this on the other window for a second. Alright, so looks like ASIO is good, Box2D is good, doc test. I am writing my doc test. Alright, let's go ahead and add doc test. Put it right here. And I'll call it doc test. There we go, kitty. So doc test. Doc test. And then units and units system for backend testing harness. Let me ask ChatGPT. They're usually pretty good about ChatGPT. Yeah, Flare. Didn't sign in, did I? Am I? Come on, you got it. Let me go ahead and log in really quick. It's taking a minute, isn't it? Okay, there we go. Alright. And you give me a short sentence description of the C++ library doc test. Sure, why not? Alright. Yeah, let's see. Can you make that more concise? There we go. Better. There we go. And then let me go ahead and get the docs really quick so it's not linking to the wrong one. There we go. I don't know which commit I used. Probably should figure that out. But I mean, doc test. I didn't use any internal features, so it should be fine. Next time I'll probably just update it to the most recent version. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's check my dependency list again. So, Doxygen, awesome. I guess so. I'll say Doxygen and Doxygen Awesome. There's a Doxygen and then Doxygen Awesome. Doxygen Awesome. So for Doxygen, documentation used to generate engine documentation. Okay. Provide used for styling. Used for styling. Doxygen documentation. Okay. And let's go find Doxygen. Yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and put this. Okay. Doxygen Awesome. Yeah. There we go. It's funny they use it to my bad. Bring the cat back in. You okay, kitty? Why? You just let him. Later. Come on. So yeah, did I link this? Yeah, no, it's just funny. They use their own. I mean, it makes sense. Like, why wouldn't you? They use their own tool to generate the documentation for their documentation generating thing. So cool. All right. Can you give me similar length descriptions for Doxygen and Doxygen Awesome, respectively? Yeah, I just want to put like a quick description for both of them so people know like what it is. Doesn't matter which ChatGPT is making it, as long as it's like understandable. That's the main thing. There we go. Just so you know, like where it's used in the engine first and foremost, and then a short description of what it is. Used as the main pack and 2D physics. Sorry. Framework that allows TCP/UDP network communication within the engine. And you make the descriptions and you give me similar length descriptions for, what is it called? X2D and ASIO networking segments. Okay, nice. Maybe I'll do this. I'll do this. Use as the main backend. Okay, yeah, I like that. That's nice and descriptive. Used as the backend testing framework. Used as the backend testing framework. Yeah. Okay, let me get the ASIO one. I just want to make sure I'm nice and up to date with all my dependencies. Don't want to miscredit anything. And then people can clearly see where I use it and whatnot. Okay, so this might take a second, just going through all the dependencies, but I think it'll be worth it. Alright, styling, used for styling and oxygen, sure. I always think I'm using the, what is it called? When I hear this song, I think of the, what is it called? The Sonder song, Rent Fires or whatever. I always think of that song. I'm like, oh no, this is copyrighted. But no, this is just the background for it. It's a nice song though. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, let me see if any other ones I'm missing. So Dr. Wave, Watch, Glad, GLM, Hash Library, I believe I already mentioned that one. Yep. I'm GUI, Tech Next, Gizmo, MSDF Gen, OpenAL, Optic. Do I want to mention Premake? Speedy Log. Vulkan. Do I mention YAML CPP? Do I really not? Why? That's actually surprising that I don't. It's like a main dependency. I would have thought I would have added that early. So I'm missing YAML, Premake, and then the ImGUI color text editor. So let's start with YAML CPP, I suppose. Go to the bottom. And I'll fix Vulkan and STP image really quick while I'm here. So YAML -CPP, right? We'll go and get the link. Used for all human readable serialization in the engine. Just lay that out. Doesn't really matter. Period, zero, whatever. Okay. And really quickly, I want to get the actual documentation for YAML CPP. There we go. So yeah, you just use that. That's fine. Or at the very least, it's a link to it. Is used for shader generation. Yep. Cross compiler is used for shader generation. Yep. True. Say used to serialize and deserialize raw image data within engine. Guess I'll put a period since I've been doing that up to this point. Alright, so we want one for all three of these. Actually, this one's already fine. I'll say main profiler used inside engine editor. The description of that one as well. Just get all these ready. Alright, so Optic, Vulkan, SDK. So let me put ChatGPT over here really quick. Put it on my other monitor. What is it? All right. Can I get similar length descriptions for Optic, Vulkan SDK, and YAML SDK? Okay, so real time, so something or whatever, it's fine. And YAML. There we go. Yes. Okay, what else am I missing? Let's see. So I'm missing pre-make. Yeah, I should add pre-make. ABCD. Wait. OpenGL. ABCD, HIJK, LMNOP. Optic. So pre-make. Alright. Then delete that. Delete that. Used as main building system or engine. Main C++ building system for engine. For engine, what is it called? For engine. Engine project files. Okay. Do I have one for STB? I do. Optic. Okay, so along with that, I want to add one more for OpenAL, OpenGL. And then another one for MSDF Gen Atlas. And then MSDF Gen as well. MSDF fonts for use in runtime. Yeah, I think it's pretty accurate. Let's see, built. Well, yeah, it's fine. Current backend graphics API for rendering 2D and 3D. Current backend graphics API. Graphics API for rendering 2D and 3D graphics. MSDF fonts. There we go. So that was just bothering me. Cross compilers used for shader generation. Okay. And where's the other one? So, oh, we got OpenAL soft. That's already fine. This is backend for audio system. For outputting audio. To system. To output devices. Speakers and what's not. We're outputting audio. Cross-platform audio API specialized sound. Yeah, I think it's pretty accurate. Okay, so now I just need, what is it? Pre-make, OpenGL, MSDF Atlas Gen. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and add all these. Make it similar like descriptions for MSDF Gen MSDF Atlas Gen. OpenGL and pre-make. Yep. Good. So you were creating MSDF Atlas. Yeah, just the actual Atlas textures. Yep. That works. OpenGL. And then pre-make. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm getting fairly far into this. Okay, what was the last one I forgot to add? I think it was the text editor. Yep, I'm GUI color text edit for Alright, so let me see where I want to put that. I don't know, I'll just put it right here. It doesn't really matter. Let's put a space here. And let's go ahead and copy all this. Paste it. Alright, and it's called I'm GUI color text edit. I think that's actually the official name for this, so I'll put it together like this. Let me get the link. This is the last one to add. So I'm GUI color text edit. Here it is. Yeah, and this is the one that I should probably grab, hit commit to, because it's the one that I've been modifying. But yeah, whatever, it's fine. All right. Used as basis for what is it called? For text editor in engine. In the engine editor application. I'm gonna be more specific here because I said editor twice. Alright, and then yeah, I think we're good. So now that we have this, let's go ahead and bring these out. Tool produces Gizmo, a gizmo that is usable in the editor. It's usable for modifying transforms and whatnot. So this is actually fine. I'll just put this right here. Use in editor to display and play and interact with gizmos. That's pretty much it. MSDF gen's already good. This one I still need to generate a description for. Let's see. So this part is good enough for here. this. UI rendering library for the editor application. Okay, that's pretty good. So the only one I need to add is this one so far. Hash library. Hashing used for hashing assets, verification asset manager. Works. Okay. Main cryptographic library for generating straw and CRC hashes in the engine. Let's say throughout the engine. Throughout the engine. Because yeah, it's basically how I use it nowadays. And I need to generate a description of it, sure. Yeah, this basically just goes here. Used for most mathematical structures and functions in the engine. Vectors mathematical. There we go. That's pretty good. Let's do glue. For handling OpenGL. Yeah. It's basically what that does, and I'll say that it's and handles getting in the GL function and retrieving OpenGL function implementation from the current graphics card. I mean, I guess it's just like a read definition. Reports the main reports the initialization of the main rendering API. Yeah, I guess that's what it does in the engine, yeah. And this kind of describes specifically what it does, right? That's better. Okay, yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, we're actually almost done. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick 2-minute break. I'll be right back. Just need to walk around. I say this though. Do 3 minutes instead. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Get some water or something. Alright, I am back. Make sure my recording's still working. Yep, looks good. Let's continue. Almost done, so let me get glfw and hash lab. Actually, let me just keep going with this. See if I can get it all done. So the final launcher. Use in the editor. I think that's actually still pretty descriptive, but I will want to add final launch. Yeah. So ECS system used to manage entities inside, used to main entities, manage entities inside themes. Okay, then I'll want like a description, and then here. There we go. Alright, single header library for decoding and encoding wave audio files. I mean, that probably goes right there. And then I'll say, let's see. Used to import and export audio files into external formats. External audio format types. Downwave. Downwave files in the editor. Alright. Nice. Okay, I think we're done. So now I just need to get these last four. So int file watch. Let me grab up my ChatGPT really quick. And I get similar length descriptions for, and then we're gonna go with what is it? Int file watch by Thomas Monkman glfw hash library hash library by what is it? st broom and I'm GUI color text edit by what's his name? Las ChatGPT might not know what I mean. So I gotta like specify which library I'm talking about. Okay, so int. Yep. By Thomas Moth. Sure. I mean, it's in the thing. You can just go read the library if you want. Wait, actually, glfw, I should have put. Used to, what is it called? Manage, used to interact with the underlying operating system and window context in editor and runtime. Yeah, that's good. Okay, go to the hash library. Again, by his name. Okay, there we go. So that's better. Now we have more accurate things going on. Alright, so the next thing is I want to figure out how I can do two things. I want to add images and maybe some gifs as well. So the first thing is I want to add an image. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Carvana, add a new folder. I'm going to say Readme resources. Readme resources. Readme yeah. I don't want to put in dependencies, just put like readme resources. But these are external dependencies. I'm just wondering, do I want this or do I want to just flatly define the images right here? Or maybe I could just host the images somewhere else, maybe? I don't know. Maybe I can host all my images in the docs and then just move them out. Might be a good idea. Well, for now, I'll just do this, and then probably move this out at some point. Actually, what do other people call this? Let me go look. Let me go look at some other example GitHubs and whatnot. Yeah, do you just those imager or readme.md? Copy link address. Where is this link? Wiki.png, huh? Interesting, it's in the wiki. Yeah, I'm actually not sure where I want to put this image. Yeah, let me ask ChatGPT. Where should I host the images I use in my GitHub readme? Images, repository, and get assets or images. I guess I'll just call it images. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Alright, I guess. Alright, I'll put it inside an asset with images. I think, let me open up another tab. I think in here I have an image I wanted to use, this one. Okay. And let me go over here and go ahead and just throw it up here, I guess. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Copy code, okay. Okay. Do images slash, what is it called? Editor screenshots. Editor screenshots.png. Okay, that's pretty good, I think. Yeah, I kind of like that. Okay, and I upload gifs. Okay, can I use gifs or similar formats inside a readme? Okay, looks like it just works. How can I easily create a GIF on Windows? Screen record a GIF. So, okay. How about using a series of similar still images? Animated GIF maker. So series you want to watch, arrange them in a way that's based on like the time delay, yeah, and then create the GIF. Okay. Let me do it. Share GIF creation software. Windows. Let's see what they say. Screen. So they said share X. Screen to GIF. It doesn't matter to me, honestly. The game store page under about this game allows GIFs, but I don't think they allow video. Huh. Okay. I guess GIF X, right? Or share X is what they said. Share X. Share X. Share. That's H. What? I did not type in SH. Share X. Good. Reddit. Yep. Okay, sure. Why not? Load me up with applications. Alright, is this the latest release? Sure. Setup.exe. Just give me the exe, I guess. the most safe thing to do, but be how it be. Hopefully they have ways of making like these gifs less heavy, because I don't want huge files rendering. Small program though, nice. Just move this over here. So share X, create a shortcut, no. Show the upload button in Windows Explorer content, no. Create a send to shortcut. Run when Windows starts, nope. Enable browser extension, nope. Disable print screen key for print screen key. I don't know, I guess. No, I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to be seeing this app pop up everywhere. Okay, so let's go ahead and can I pin to start here? Share X. Pin to start. Can I rename it? I cannot. No, that's fine. Alright. Capture. Full screen. Upload screenshots. To cancel current upload and disable screenshot auto upload. What are you talking about? Upload to where? No. Oh, take a screenshot of everything. Interesting. A particular monitor, so which one? This one is the wrong one. I want a capture of this one. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's what I want. Alright, now let me see if I can make a GIF out of this. Let me delete this one. Alright, it just opens it for some reason. Delete file. Yes, okay. Now, how do I... Tools, workflows... Where's the create GIF section? Tools... Workflows, upload... I'm confused. Is it doing it? Remove, delete file locally. Yep. Delete file locally and delete file locally. So Control Shift print screen starts and stops screen recording. And I'm assuming that just created a file, right? There we go. Yes. Okay, cool. Yeah. Nice. All right, cool. So let's go to, what is it called? Here, or wait, no, here. The simple includes a game editor, runtime, multiplayer server, and a core library. Let me see if I can add like a little can I add a short description label or an image in Markdown? Use a table to align the image with the description. Wait, so if I add this, what does that look like though? Let's see. Okay, nice. View of main editor. Of main editor. You'll put like a list around it or something. Okay, I kind of like that. The project includes a game editor. Okay, runtime. So the runtime and the server, I might take screenshots of those as well, maybe. So let's do something like that. Hold on. Let me open up this. All right. Haven't compiled that in a long time. Oh. Yep. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. Images. You move this over here. There we go. All right, let's go back over here. The game editor. So, wait, this one. View running on runtime. Okay, and this one is called, what was it called? On runtime. runtime.png. There we go. Nice. View of main editor. Okay. And I also want to display the, what is it called? Maybe like a screenshot of the server running. I might try that. Yeah, that's good stuff. There we go. Nice. Let's save this in here. Server. What is it called? Server running. Let me see if I can find the server running. There we go. Let's go find that file and duplicate it. Server. Okay. All right. Now let's go ahead and view of server running. View of server running in constant. Okay, and this one's going to be called server running. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so here we go. We got a few images. So about project, view the main editor, view of server intent. Feel free to try creating a game using editor or use an existing project. Game projects are stored in the project directory. New projects can be created in the editor, and alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this. Let me go back to the editor. Go ahead and launch the editor. Let me close this out for a second. All this stuff is kind of in the way. There we go. Like that. Let's see. I close this and then run it again. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that's what I want. So now let's close this, and then let's try to record a GIF. See if this will work. So Control Shift and print screen. Can I specify the region? I can't. So okay, after I release this, I gotta do it real fast. Let me try this again. Yeah, make a... wait. Let me try a bit bigger of a region, go like here. Abort. Let's do something like out here. Something, try to make it roughly even. So it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Alright. So starts over. Stop. It's like stuck over here. It's kind of weird. Whatever. Alright, let's see this GIF. It still gets cut off a bit. Yeah, you know what? Let me delete this and delete. Nope. Delete this as well. Try one more time. This time, I go ahead and I might not make it. Should I make it even? Yeah, I'd like this. It's fine. Make it even on both sides. Get a little bit extra longer here. So it's not even on the left and right, but top and bottom's even. That's fine. So let's go ahead and start it. Alright, let's try that. That might be good. Okay. Now, how can I edit this one? It's a GIF, so like, can I... Tools. Workflows. No, you know what, that's fine. I think I'm overthinking it. Copy. File. Let's go ahead and put it in here. And I'll call it, download on from the launcher. Copy this. Alright, let's go ahead and close this for now. Don't need to have it open. Let's see. Well, this is a good practice for the documentation too, so I guess this will be my workflow later on. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Feel free to try to create a game editor or use an existing project. To try creating a game using the editor or using an existing project. Editor, okay, so alt text and I'll say images slash, what is it called? Oh, that's, yep. Okay, yeah. Not bad. Let me move this out. Feel free to go. Okay, then this will be to download sample again. Only supports the editor only supports Windows. This version is accessible in the development branch. Holds the stable version of the engine. I intend to add a versioning system soon where the stable branch will only hold major versions. So yeah, that's fine. Okay. So I kind of want to add some like gifs for this, maybe? I don't know. Git for Windows. Supports this version of the C++ standard. Visual Studio with C# C++ support. Okay. All right. On clone. Let's see. I'll say documentation. I'll say current repo. Current repo. Or maybe I'll just put this outside. Arrange repo. Oh yeah, maybe you want to change the documentation title as well. The documentation is nearly non-existent. For this engine only exists for oxygen at the moment. I intend to add better documentation, better engine slash editor documentation upon with the first release version of the engine. To take a look if you like. tend to add better attention. The documentation for the engine is fairly minimal at this point. I intend to add better engine/editor documentation with the first release version of the editor, but for you to take a look if you like. Games in progress. So the current repo. Okay, and then for the current repo, I should probably actually put the current repo. I think it's just Palm, right? If I'm not mistaken. Or wait. Let me go get that link really quick. So it's Organo. There we go. Alright. Nice. Why? Oh no, I put it in the wrong place. Here. My bad. It takes me to Pong now. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I think that was the main things I wanted to add at this point. I mean, I could add some more information here. Maybe I will add some gifs for these, I don't know. I'm trying to think what I want to add. The latest options. Okay. Ensure requirements are met. It's are met before the above requirements are met. Ensure the above requirements are met. Clone the latest version of the right. Clone the latest version of the development branch here. Build. Well, yeah, I might make a GIF for this one. Yeah, I'm gonna make a few GIFs here. Let's see. The first one will be, I mean, I'm assuming we know how to do terminals. So I think I'll just show this, right? So maybe I'll go to here. Or maybe I'll make another one. Right here. My finals. There's projects, Cardona. I'm wondering if I can move these back, like move this out of the way. Because if I go here, and I go here, okay, let me try it. Let me try it real quick. Gif this one. Right. I'm gonna make another one. Capture. Recording slash gif. Let me move these out of the way for a second. Move these. Let's move them to another monitor. There we go. Get them out of the way. Okay. Now for 2 hours. Interesting. Alright. A bunch of time just editing the Readme, but I think this is time well spent. I've been meaning to update my stuff. Let me see. There we go. Alright. And then where's the GIF thing? Yeah, let me see. So if I go here and close this out really quick, open my dev branch. Let me go to this proposed, what is it called? This proposed thing here. Oh, it didn't copy for some reason. Okay, for some reason it's not copying, I don't know why. Alright, well, whatever. Git clone https://github.com/l/condu1 dot bits. There we go. There we go. Okay. Cool. So let's go ahead and make this GIF now. Like right here, I guess. Let me see what that produced. It's taking a while to serialize. I guess it's a really big file, isn't it? Must be running in a background thread. Or maybe I never saved. I don't know. There we go. Is it really that big of a file? I might not need to show the entire thing. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. I think what I'm gonna do is instead, let me go ahead and delete this file that I created. It's a fairly large file. I think at some point I will, when I do the release, I'll do one more like erasure of like previous data, and I'm gonna go through my dependencies and make sure to clean up any excess data that's in there, because a lot of it's not necessary. I can just log whatever the commit I used was, and then maybe even update the dependency, and then just store that commit, and then the only data I need to store at that point is just the necessary data to get the dependency working, and that's it. No examples, no extra code. Because a lot of the examples have like example code that I don't need in the actual dependencies, and it's kind of weighing down my engine quite a bit. So let's go ahead and make this one more time. Yeah, I'll go ahead and make it like this. Okay, that's good. And I'll let this do its thing. Gets a much shorter GIF. I like that. And you kind of get the point. You know what I might do? I might like just continue where this left off. Yeah. Wait, let me open this up right here. Yeah, I need to move a lot quicker in my GIFs. I think that's one thing I'm realizing, because everything gets slowed down. Okay. So the next one is me like, I would close this down, open up this file. And then run this. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me make a new capture. Okay, let's see how that generates. It might take a second. Let's let's go ahead and watch this one. All right, there we go. Nice. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, and then I have one last one. So let me go ahead and close this really quick. And basically what I want to do, maybe open this one's SLN. Maybe I'll just record this part. I gotta do that. Let's try that. So let's do one last one. And we're essentially just going to record this part. Ready, set, go. Oh, abort. Wait, no. I need to record a bigger space. So let me do more capture. I need to open a bigger space so that everything's visible. Ports. Yeah, I just realized I gotta close this. Try one more time. Let's go to cancel the build. Yeah, I don't want this building. Let's go ahead and close this. Go ahead and close this, and I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. All right, and we're good. So now, basically, yeah, we have a gift for opening a project, right? We have a gift for there we go. Cloning the repository. There we go. We have a gift for taking the file, opening it up. There we go. Nice. Okay, we have one final gift for opening up the app and then right-clicking. Exit as start project. There we go. Nice. All right, so let me go ahead and save these. So this first one, I think it's download repository. File, right? We're gonna go to wherever I save these, right here. I'm gonna call this download Argon. Okay. Copy file, paste it. So it's gonna be the file. Let's go ahead and paste that. This is going to be show open sets filter default. Okay, there we go. Now we just add this, and then I think I'm done. I know that was. It seems like, why are you going through all this process, adding all this stuff? But I think it really helps people who don't really like know the full thing. They can just see the gifs and be like, oh. And then it's mainly just because this is usually the hard part people have figuring out. This part is usually pretty hard too, but I'm not doing a whole tutorial on that. I'll just let people, like, just use Windows, download Visual Studio, Git, and then Vulkan. I'm not going to handle that. I mean, I could, but it's not the worst. But this is unique to my project, so I need to kind of handle this just a bit. I mean, I don't need to, but it's nice. So we're going to add another GIF. And it only supports Windows. Okay. So clone the latest version of the I can tab it in. Interesting. I didn't know that. That looks alright to me. Okay, and then there's just the wrong GIF. So we want download Cargano. How to clone engine. Actually, yeah, I'm going to take this bit and put it over here. Or maybe I'll take this bit, yoink it out for a second. I'll put it at the bottom, maybe. Engine. Loading table branch. Table. Okay. Yeah, I like this. Run build scripts. So here, I'm going to run the build scripts. Let me go ahead and grab this real quick. Yeah, sure. Run build file. Running build file. Build script. Building Visual Studio. Project files. All right. right, and then the last thing is open Essential Directory, and then inside here, we'll do one last one. The other part's open kernel and Essential. You can do that. I believe in you. You know, if you're gonna run it, like, yeah, it's fine. I'm already kind of going like above and beyond right now, anyways. Usually we'll do this, and then that's editor. Be built. All right, and documentation looks good. Current repo. Okay, so everything now looks like great. Everything looks great. It took a while to do, but yeah, pretty happy with that. So yeah, I might go ahead and stop the stream, and I might come back because I want to let some of these things go ahead and build in the background. And then I'll kind of show you guys the results once everything's properly been exported and everything. But basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to push this commit right with the new readme, and then I'm going to go ahead and merge my development branch back into my stable branch, right? I'm going to do that off stream because it runs a bunch of testing code and it might slow down the stream, maybe even crash it. I really hope not. So well, I don't think it'll crash it, but it'll get really slow. I don't want to deal with that right now. So yeah, so let me go ahead and make the commit really quick. Should be a really easy commit. Let me close this. Close all these screenshots and gifs and whatnot. And let me go ahead and read my stream notes really quick. Yeah, I'll continue on this in the next episode. So yeah, I'll push this engine code real quick. Let me go to my Visual Studio. And let me make sure this gets deleted. Okay, 10 files. What? Oh, because we added a bunch of stuff. So I'll say update readme to reflect like recent version of engine, right? Add, yeah, I'll call it, what is it, readme.md. And then here I just have one thing to mention. Add undo ability for auto complete suggestions in text editor. Text editor capacity. Alright. Update readme and small editor fix. All right. Yeah, I think that's good. Nice. All right, so yeah, I think I'll go to end the stream here. I'll do some upload. I'll probably upload this video as well. Get it all cleaned up and everything. Let me see. Yeah, there's no game code to add. Oh, the progress board. Yeah, probably should update that right now. So this is not really a feature, to be honest. I could probably just delete this one. And next time we come back, I'll go ahead and continue with this stuff. So yeah, hopefully the next video stream that I post on YouTube will be in like an hour or so after I post this video. But we'll see. But yeah, the next Twitch stream is still going to be on Monday. So yeah, I think that's about it. If you're on YouTube, hope you have a nice day or night, whatever time it is. And other than that, yeah, later.